Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to Technical Portal YouTube channel on a new video of Microsoft Excel LOOKUP series that is running into my channel. So friends, we all know Vlookup, right? But what if I tell you that when you find the lookup value, you can also get the cell address in which your lookup value is actually exist. So today in this video we are actually going to use the Vlookup and index function to get the actual cell address and in which your lookup value actually exists. It will show you the accurate cell address, right? To get the address of a lookup result derived with index, you can use the cell function. So in this case, at first I am showing you the Vlookup function and what it actually gets, then I will show you the cell function in this video. So stay with this video. So at first I am typing any random ID here in this cell, that is G6, and we are going to use the Vlookup formula into this G7 cell where we will actually get the name. So you all know the Vlookup formula and how it actually works. So let's use the Vlookup formula equals to Vlookup. Then it is asking for lookup value. Our lookup value will be in G6 cell. Now it is asking for our table array, and this one is our table array from B5 to D9. Now it is asking for column index number. As in this table we are searching for the name, the column index number will be number 2, and we are going for the exact match, so we are typing number 0 here. Close the bracket, hit enter. Look at here, we actually get the result properly. Now it's time to get where the lookup value that we have find here is actually exist in our database, right? So at first start with the cell function equals to cell. Then here from the option you need to choose the address option, the first option that appears here. Press the tab button to automatically fill it. Now here at the reference we are going to use the index match here, right? Index. Now here we need to give the range, and our range will be this one from B5 to D9. Now it is asking for row number, and we are going to use the match function to actually have the row number here. So what we are searching for? We are searching for actually what is in the G6 cell, right? This is our lookup value. Now it is asking for lookup array, and in the case of match function we need to select that column where your lookup value exists, right? Now we are going for the exact match, so I am typing 0 here. Close the bracket. Now it is asking for column number, right? So what we are searching for? We are searching for the name cell, right? So here we need to give the number as 2. That means in the column 2 we are searching for the result, right? Now close the bracket and hit enter. Look at here what happens. $C$6. That means in the C6 cell it actually exists. Look at here, it is actually right. So let's check how this formula actually works. Although index is normally displays the value of a cell at a given index, underneath it actually returns with a reference. By wrapping index in the address function, you can see the address of the cell returned by the lookup. So that's the main functionality of the cell function in this example. I will give you the link of downloading this workbook into the description box. Please check that. So that's all for today friends. Hopefully you like this video. I will come back soon with another interesting video. Till then, keep learning, keep supporting this channel, and keep practicing.